In today's video, we're going to be starting off with Dollar Tree tray. I'll be using 2 of these trays and cutting out the outer edges and joining them together. I'll use tape and a strong adhesive. I'll be adding a table mat to the trays. I got mine from at-home stores, but they do sell something similar to this at the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to hold it down with tape and then use zip ties to hold the trays and the mat together by making holes through the trays where the zip ties are going to go through. I repeated what I just did here at the top to the bottom. I'm also going to be using Dollar Tree napkin holders and attaching them to the top and the bottom. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. The sides are not straight, so I thought about using either dowels or rods, and then I felt that I would prefer something that's flat. So I went with the leftover PVC strip that I had at home and covered it with mirror reflective paper. You can also use a strip of wood that's strong enough for this. I'll be using zip ties to attach the strips to what I just made. After that, I'm going to fold the edges and staple them down. Now I'm going to go ahead now and use bling wrap to cover up the staple pins. I used this hook here to mount it on the wall, but then I didn't like the way it wasn't staying stable on the wall, so I'll recommend using a sticky adhesive tabs or command strips. There was still a little bit of opening here, so I'm going to be covering that with table scatter. And I'm going to be gluing them on one after the other on both sides. When I was done, I spray painted the back. To cover up the napkin holders, I'll be using this Christmas ornament and cutting it into 2 and cutting out the shape that I want and attach it with zip ties because I'm not still too sure if I want this on the design just yet. But just so you know, the napkin holders look pretty even when it's exposed. I'll be using glitter sheet and carving out the shape of the napkin holder and gluing it on so that the reflection of the light would show at the top. There's another quick and easy way to achieve something like this. Now you just take a Dollar Tree container like this one and cut it into two and leaving the bottom part. I'll be gluing glitter sheet that I got from Hobby Lobby inside. In order for me to have this easily mounted on the wall, I decided to add another plastic sheet at the top because the plastic container could not cover the entire glitter sheet. So I just cut a little piece of plastic and added it at the top. Like I said earlier, guys, this hook did not give it a good balance on the wall, so I'll recommend using adhesive tabs since this is light in weight. I'll dab a little bit of gold paint to cover the screw. I'll be covering the base as well with glitter sheet. I'll be adding round mirrors to the design. They sell adhesive tabs at the Dollar Tree, and this is what it looks like, and you can use this to have it mounted on the wall. Here I'm using a tea light candle, and it looks pretty. Now you can also use a bigger candle because it can still hold the weight. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.